If you don't like rap but still love Snoop Dogg, then you need to see his wild side hustles. From being a rap legend to an Olympic commentator, Snoop Dogg's done it all. Ever thought you'd see Snoop in the kitchen? Yep, he's got his own cookbook and even cooks with Martha Stewart. But wait, there's more. Snoop's also dipped his toes into the wrestling ring, showing he's got the moves off the mic too. Oh, and don't forget his voice acting gigs. Snoop as Cousin It in The Addams Family. Iconic. So next time you think you know Snoop, remember, he's always got a new trick up his sleeve. From the stage to the kitchen and even the wrestling ring, Snoop Dogg's versatility is off the charts. Stay tuned for more of his crazy side quests. Peace out.